Trefoil Controls is a high-quality solutions provider in calibration management, instruments and service. Backed up by ISO 9001 certification and awarded for technical excellence in maintenance by the Irish Maintenance and Asset Management Society Awards, we are also 2019 finalists in the Small Firms Association Small Business Awards. Our engineers have over 20 years' experience in calibration management across food and dairy, manufacturing and pharmaceutical sectors, and our equipment is calibrated to the highest standards. We provide a complete calibration solution for our clients through calibration scheduling and management, both in-house and on-site. By working with industry-leading CompuCal calibration management software, we have the perfect tool to improve efficiency and increase compliance. Our clients also have access to our dedicated Trefoil Controls customer portal, offering an entire paperless calibration management process with secure online storage of all documentation. Through our online store, Measure, Control, Record.ie, we are also a single source supplier for quality instrumentation products. As a growing Irish company, we are committed to delivering tailored calibration management and instrumentation solutions to our clients. For more information, visit trefoilcontrols.ie or call us today to discuss how we can provide your business with a dedicated customer-focused response that will meet your needs both now and in the future.